In the lively playroom where toys gathered to play, there lived a magical friend named Excavaroo, the toy excavator. When parents were away, Excavaroo and his animated toy buddies came to life, turning ordinary days into thrilling adventures that only the eyes of curious little ones could see. One sunny morning, Excavaroo had a wild idea. Good morning, toy pals. Today, let's dive into a world of colours and numbers with toy animals. Orange like the tiger, brown like the monkey, pink like the flamingo. Let's transform our playroom into a jungle safari and have a roaring good time, Excavaroo declared, his wheels spinning with excitement. With a joyful spin, they unearthed a treasure trove of plush toy animals, cuddly and vibrant, in hues of orange, brown, pink, blue, green, and many more. 1 orange tiger, 2 brown monkeys, 3 pink flamingos, 4 blue elephants, 5 green parrots. Let's count and get ready for a wild adventure. Excavaroo cheered, turning the discovery into a playful counting game. The toy buddies gathered around, each choosing a colourful animal, working together like a rainbow team. Teamwork is cool, my friends. Let's turn our playroom into a jungle and encounter more amazing animals, Excavaroo exclaimed. As they transformed the playroom into a lush jungle, plush animals found their way to trees, vines, and soft cushions. Orange tiger in the tree, brown monkey on the vine, pink flamingo by the water, blue elephant in the cave, green parrot on the branch. Our jungle safari is the wildest you've ever seen. Excavaroo cheered, turning the adventure into a roaring success. Now, with their colourful animals in a jungle paradise, the toy buddies embarked on a wild safari adventure. They encountered plush lions with golden manes, blue elephants with swaying trunks, pink flamingos with graceful necks, green parrots with vibrant feathers, and learned about different wildlife in a playful and educational journey. 1 mighty roar, 2 gentle trumpets, 3 graceful necks, 4 swaying trunks, 5 vibrant feathers. Our jungle safari is full of wild wonders, Excavaroo exclaimed, counting the magical moments. But oh my, here comes a surprise that spun their adventure in a different direction. In the heart of the plush jungle, the toy buddies stumbled upon a shiny toy robot with buttons and lights. What's this? A robot in the jungle? Excavaroo wondered. The robot introduced itself as SafariBot, a programmed expert safari guide. Excitement filled the air as the toys thought they had found the perfect companion for their adventure. However, SafariBot started acting funny, leading the toys in the wrong direction, zigzagging and twirling around. Oh no, SafariBot! We're going the wrong way. Our jungle safari is turning into a robot tangle, Excavaroo exclaimed, his wheels spinning with worry. The toy buddies gathered around SafariBot, trying to figure out how to fix its programming. Maybe we need to press this button or twist that knob, suggested Blue Teddy, trying to help. But SafariBot's malfunction continued, and the toys found themselves in a playful mess. Just when it seemed like their adventure was going astray, Pink Bunny had a bright idea. Let's work together and create a colourful pattern with the buttons. Maybe that will fix SafariBot, Pink Bunny suggested. The toy buddies pressed the buttons in a vibrant pattern, creating a sequence of colours that dazzled SafariBot's circuits. And magically, with a cheerful beep, SafariBot started functioning correctly again. Hooray! We fixed SafariBot, and now our jungle safari can continue. Excavaroo cheered, his wheels spinning with joy. With SafariBot back on track, the toy buddies continued their adventure, encountering even more animals in the plush jungle. They learned about different wildlife, all while counting and enjoying the vibrant colours of their safari. And so, Excavaroo, red car, blue teddy, yellow duck, green dinosaur, pink bunny, purple robot, orange clown, and safari bot nestled themselves away when parents returned, ready for another adventure. When parents were away, the end, until the next time, when Excavaroo's wheels would spin with excitement for a new playful day. In the lively toy room, where laughter echoed like music, there lived a magical friend named Excavaroo, the toy excavator. When parents were away, Excavaroo and his vibrant toy buddies came to life, creating adventures that only little eyes could see. One sunny morning, Excavaroo had a speedy idea. Good morning, toy pals. Today, let's zoom into a world of colours and numbers with toy cars. Red like apples, blue like the sky, yellow like the sun, green like grass. Let's rev up the fun and have a racing blast, Excavaroo declared, his wheels spinning with excitement. With a joyful spin, they discovered a treasure chest filled with toy cars, tiny, sleek, and full of colours. 1 red car, 2 blue cars, 3 yellow cars, 4 green cars. Let's count and get ready for a speedy adventure. Excavaroo cheered, turning the discovery into a playful counting game. The toy buddies gathered around, each choosing a colourful car, working together like a rainbow team. Teamwork is cool, my friends. Let's race our cars and have a zoom-in good time, Excavaroo exclaimed. But oh my, here comes a speedy surprise that spun their adventure in a different direction. Just as they were getting ready to race, a toy wind-up mouse named Whisker whisked in, accidentally rolling the cars into a playful whirl. Oh no! Our cars went whisking away! Excavaroo gasped, his bucket dropping a little. No worries. The toy buddies giggled and chased after the whisking cars. We'll catch them and have an even more exciting race. No problem, Excavaroo declared, leading the lively chase around the playroom. As they gathered the whisking cars, they stumbled upon a box of ramps and loops. Look, ramp treasures. Let's use them to create the coolest tracks and perform daring stunts, Excavaroo suggested, turning the mishap into a creative surprise. With ramps in hand, the toy buddies built tracks that twisted and turned, performing stunts that made the cars jump and spin. Red, blue, yellow, green, pink, purple, orange. Our cars are the stunt kings you've ever seen, Excavaroo cheered, turning the adventure into a thrilling success. Now, with their colourful cars zooming through the exciting tracks, the toy buddies embarked on a thrilling toy car rally. They raced through loops, zoomed down ramps, and learned about physics and motion in vibrant hues of red, blue, yellow, green, pink, purple, and orange. 1 speedy zoom, 2 thrilling loops, 3 amazing stunts, 4 loop-de-loops. Our toy car rally is full of zoom-in fun, Excavaroo exclaimed, counting the thrilling moments. As the rally went on, the toy buddies discovered that different shaped ramps made the cars zoom in different ways. They giggled with joy as their cars raced and spun through the tracks, creating a colourful spectacle. When parents returned, they found the toys frozen in playful poses, the toy car rally their colourful secret. And so, Excavaroo, red car, blue teddy, yellow duck, green dinosaur, pink bunny, purple robot, and orange clown nestled themselves away, ready for another adventure when parents were away. The end until the next time, when Excavaroo's wheels would spin with excitement for a new playful day.